Hello, okay, quick demonstration of the parking assistance on this lovely Mercedes C300. This is the hybrid one. So we're in a car park now. You can see on the tarmac we've got painted parking bays scattered everywhere, and I'm going to let John here demonstrate how it works. So press the parking assistance and then put it into D, and then we're going to go forward. I'm going to turn into this area here. Right, so it's picked up a bay. So it says there. So if you press that.
Yep. Normally, when I press that button, it will let me decide which way in I want to go, and it won't let me this time.
Oh, it says there, start.
Yeah, that's to start the procedure, which is basically that. So,
start the procedure.
It puts the indicator on for you.
Puts it in for you. You let go of the steering wheel. Totally. Oh, there he goes.
Pick the right brake.
Put the brakes on. Did you do that, John? No.
It's driving us in forward, not backwards.
Oh, okay. It's doing it forward then. Okay, it's doing the easy way, yeah. So that's it. Put the handbrake on.
Put it into park.
That's it. Right. So it doesn't always.
To exit the park, it's tap here.
Exit. Okay.
Right, and we want to come out.
You want to come out of it
That way. Or that
Oh,
way.
so if you can't, if you haven't got the skill set to come out, it'll do it for you.
Yes, that's correct.
Right. Okay.
Engage reverse gear. It puts the indicator on to tell you which way you're going. So your foot off the brake. You can cover the brake if you feel the car's going too fast for you.
Okay.
So it allows the car to come fully out of the space before it decides to turn. Where those red lines are, the vehicle will stop. Then it will move forward on its own to where the two lines are. So the car's doing this, I'm not touching anything.
Okay. I gathered that, John. I didn't think you got voodoo powers to move the steering wheel.
So now it's telling me to put my hands on my steering wheel.
All right,
ready,
okay.
And we now have full control.
Right, okay. Technology at its finest. Okay, let's get back to work, John.